What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. We're in the M5 today. Haven't driven this thing all week, so I'm kind of excited to drive it right now, man. Hope you guys all doing good, man. I can't believe the year is already almost over, man. We still doing the same content. Last 3 videos have like, I think 3K views, so I appreciate you guys for all the support, man. Seriously, it's awesome. I saw the new M5 on the freeway this week, bro. Honestly, they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad. Definitely need to put some exterior parts on it. To make it look really good, you gotta definitely put some parts on that thing. Like I saw someone with obviously with a spoiler and a diffuser, and it's honestly all you need, bro. And like a front splitter, I think as well, side skirt, bro. I think it looks pretty clean, I'm gonna be honest. And they sound good. They sound so good. So I'm honestly hyped because I know once they come out with another M5, I mean, like all it takes is like 2 years, 2.5 years, and they depreciate like 50%. Like when I bought this one, the MSRP was like 130 something. I bought this thing for like 70 or something. Yeah, like 70 with like taxes, like 174. Somewhere around there. And that's crazy cheap, bro. It only had 10K miles. And I mean, I'm still enjoying it. It's been like almost 2 years. Dang. December is 2 years, bro. What? Why has it even happened the last 2 years, bro? I've been like at 30K for the past like 2 years. I don't really care though. YouTube's cool, but this is not this is not the achievement I'd be flexing, you know, that's for sure. I literally just do this just for the memes. Like Snapchat right now is like, what? I heard they're deleting a bunch of memories, all that stuff. Like this is my memories right here. That's why I do this, literally why I do this. I'm gonna do a little baby launch. I don't launch my car like every single day. The reason I don't launch my car like every day is because I think it actually detunes after like 50 launches. My screen's so dirty. And I appreciate you guys all watching my videos. Our average watch time again is just crazy because like it's like usually, you know, videos get watch time because it's like you have to make it diverse, right? You gotta drive, do this meetup, do modding, mod your car. That's the goal in the future, obviously. But I appreciate all of you guys watching, man. I mean, I hope all you guys are working towards something, and at the end of the day, man, hope all you guys are just, you know, diving into the word. I'm trying to dive into the word every single day. It's hard for me to read, bro, to be real. So I just try to listen in the mornings. Shoot, man. What's crazy is it's loud in the car. Imagine outside. It's literally a whole different beast outside. Oh, yeah. I'm literally just doing a circle at this point. There's like a little route over here, you know. It's kind of like a chill little route. Like this is perfect when you have a car that's like tuned. I mean, I'm almost there. I'm like right before having a tuned car. Literally, that's all I need to do is just tune this thing. 3-car garage. That's the dream right now, boys. I was in my, dude, apartments. I was looking at apartments now, guys. Bro, how are apartments $4,000 a month right now, man? $4,000 a month? Like what? 4,000 a month is next level, bro. Like, 4,000 a month is literally a mortgage to like a 700K house or like a 600K house, bro. Obviously not right now. Mortgages, dude, there's so many houses for sale. A mortgage right now is like, I mean, it's like 6K because of the interest. I still can't believe they haven't dropped the interest rates, man. This house was for, wait, is this the one that was for sale? No. There's like another one for sale I was actually looking at. Sadly, I can't buy it, but I was looking at it. That's why I wish I had a brother, because I would totally go 50-50 on a house flip with my bro. Like, obviously people want privacy, but dude, is it really worth the price for privacy? Not really, I'm gonna be real. I love the whistle, man. I love the whistle. I feel like if I were to get a Porsche, if I had the money, I'll get a GC2 RS, obviously. But 911 Turbo S, bro, shoot, man, that thing's kind of the meta. Fully straight pipe. I'm straight piping, down pipe, everything. First week. Because, dude, they sound, dude, oh my gosh. They sound so good, and I'll obviously do exterior parts on it, like the first week as well. I need a Porsche, honestly, now when I think about it. I need a 911. 911s are so freaking clean. Oh my gosh, I love the pops. I know some people don't like the pops. I'm always doing overkill, like I'm trying to emphasize the ASMR, guys. I'm not just trying to cruise just to cruise, you know. Like, I know people that literally drop their cars and they don't send it, they don't pop it. Like, I'm trying to pop it every single second I have. I know I'm not picking up speed. It just feels good, man. This car is perfect. Car just feels so, I love how it's like, it's just perfect, bro. Like, what else would I want other than this? It would be a Mercedes, but I don't know, man. They sound great. I don't know. So I'm happy with this German muscle. Like, what other car would be like I would really want? Because I was so picky with these two cars. Like, what other car would make me like, dude? Honestly, it's all that's left now is either a Huracan twin turbo or SVJ. Ideally, SVJ twin turbo. That is the ultimate goal. Or SV. It's like almost the same thing. Imagine SV twin turbo, bro. Oh my. SVJ twin turbo is definitely more aura. That's could be the one I would have tried to pursue. Ideally, if I were to get like an SVJ, because of the industry I'm in, I would like to make my own turbos. And the sick part is I can make billet literally almost anything because of the machines we have. Probably not a billet engine block, because a V12 engine block, that's like, dude, I need a big machine for that. But like a billet drive, nah, I don't know. Like a billet div. I could make almost everything billet. I think even the engine block, if I had a big enough table, with one of the machines I want to get, it has a big enough table, low key. I have this whole street to myself right now. I'm not even going full pedal to the metal either, and it feels so smooth. Imagine if this thing's tuned. I can make it shift faster, which will make it sound more aggressive too. Oh my gosh, there's so much potential. But then also, more issues come too. But definitely make my own turbos is like the easiest thing ever, bro. Turbos are not that difficult. It's literally like a housing with a blade on it. So definitely turbos is like, that's not even an issue. Turbos is not even an issue. But imagine, bro, like I make my own turbos for the SVJ. I make my own, what are they called? It's the things that connect to the, I think, intercoolers. I don't know. Honestly, like, definitely someday. I keep saying someday right now because, boys, I'm just grinding. Like, all I'm doing right now is just focusing on work. Like, these videos are coming, for me, it feels like so fast because there's so, all I do is work that I think I'm just dissociated 24/7 right now, bro. Like, for real, it feels like I'm dissociated 24/7. Like, it really does. We've been coming through this tree like almost every video, and dude, look at that, they're building up. I wonder how it's gonna look when they're done, man. It's gonna be a whole nother neighborhood. Crazy. Honestly, this car is built well, boys. I've had zero problems with these cars. Actually, kind of nice. It just catches up to speed so quick. Can't enjoy the car as long. Because as you know, guys, we follow the speed limit. We don't break any laws when we drive. We just enjoy the car, you know? Tune, that's it, bro. This thing will cook. But right now I'm just keep expenses low, keep making these videos, and most importantly, and I hope these videos motivate you guys just to keep working hard, because nothing comes easy. These cars did not come easy at all, and that's the beauty of it, though. That's the beauty, you know. Yeah, me having two cars show you guys that it takes a lot of grind to get to this kind of level. Like, you can obviously buy an M4 working at McDonald's, but you don't want to, bro. You want to be making really good money before you buy any of these cars. Specifically, you want a career too. You want something that's like, you know, you can do this for 40, 50 years. I know that sounds depressing, but like, that's how you gotta think. And then investments is like a whole different level. You gotta wait 10 years to really rip it. You gotta wait like a good 10 years to actually, you know, reap the blessing. bunch of times I gotta do more nighttime POVs. I actually install a bunch of LEDs in this car. The only problem with nighttime videos, people don't watch them. Like the watch time of my nighttime videos are always pretty low because it's pretty, it's too dark. Can't really see much, but I'm gonna try to talk a little less this last segment. I want you guys just to listen to the car. I'm gonna hit one more road through the kind of like the mountain kind of neighborhood, and so you guys can really hear the car out. This is like the perfect area. I usually never hear like this well. You guys enjoy this little M5 video. I need to clean this thing up. Literally, it's just 1 week and it's just complete full of dust. I literally cleaned it like not even that long ago and it's already full of dust. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, it's just another... Shoot, I need to clean it ASAP. But dude, I'm happy with this car. I'm so happy with the new M5. I mean, don't get me wrong, it looks cool, but is it worth 150? No, hell no. This one looks way better. I mean, the front grille looks good on the new one, I will be honest. The new one does look good, but it's just not worth the price. I'd rather get this, basically the same engine, just not hybrid, which is literally even better. It doesn't have a freaking battery in it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Hope you guys are doing good, working hard. You know, see you guys in the next one. Peace.